Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we are just going through the chapter number 9, that is algebraic equations. In from exercise 9 I have given you in homework, that was question number 1 and question number 2. So let us do some of the sums of it, but before that we just complete the example number 4 which is given over here, that is example number 4 and 5. If 20 is subtracted from a number, the result is 45. Convert this statement into algebraic equation. What they are telling, example number 4. Example number 4, that is if 20 is subtracted from a number, the result is 45. Means if we just subtract 20 from a number, then we get a result that is 45. So I can say that let a number be x. Let us take a number that is x, and what they are telling, when, see I am just repeating it again, the equation, if 20 is subtracted from a number, the result is 45. When we just subtract 20 from a number, then we get our answer that is 45. Okay, they have only said to make a equation. Okay, they don't tell us that just solve it. So if we just solve it, okay, then we can get x. Here it is minus 20. When it just go towards this side, it will become plus 20. So our answer will be 65. X is equal to 65. But we don't have to do this, because in the equation it is not written that you have to find out the value of x. In the equation it is only said that you have to make the statement. Okay, then after moving towards example number 5, Suresh is twice as old as Manoj. Convert this statement into algebraic equation. See here, we are just moving towards example number 5. Okay, so here in this, Suresh is twice as old as Manoj. So first of all we take Suresh. So if I take Suresh's age, okay, if I take Suresh's age, that is S, and the Manoj age, that is M, then what they are telling, that Suresh age is twice as old as Manoj. Here S for Suresh, M for Manoj. So Suresh's age is twice as the age of Manoj. So S is equal to 2M. S is equal to 2M. Why? Because Suresh's age is twice the age of Manoj. Means they are telling उसकी मनोज की जो एज है ना, उससे मल्टीप्लाई 2 करें तो we will get the Suresh age. So S is equal to 2M, which is our answer. So first of all, if you want to write down these two examples, then you can write down, and then after we will move towards example exercise number 9A. Okay, have you written, please students, exercise 9A? Exercise 9A, question number 1. From that I will do 1. Exercise 9A, question number 1. From that I will do, that is B, which is 4 is the root of 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. We have to find out that the root of this equation is 4 or not. So we know that what we have to do, 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, it is given. So what we will do, we will put the value of x is equal to 4 and let us see LHS is equal to RHS or not. So here the value of x, that is we put, that is 4, then after minus 3 which is LHS, LHS is equal to 2x, we have put the value that is 4 and minus 3 which is LHS. So here 4 2s are 8 minus 3 which is 8 minus 3, that is 5, is equal to RHS. So here you can write down a statement that 4 is the root of 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, please note down this. And the question number 2 which we will do over this side, question number 2, that is write algebraic equation for the following statement. You don't need to solve them. You don't need to solve them. So here the cost of a gel pen is 7 more than that of a ball pen. So if the ball pen costs 8, what is the cost of gel pen? Here we have to find out first, that is A. What they are just telling that the cost of a gel pen, the cost of gel pen, first of all, cost of a gel pen, that is 7 rupees, and the cost of ball pen cost, sorry, not 7 rupees, 7 more than that of ball pen. Then after here the cost of ball pen, it is given, the cost of ball pen, the cost of ball pen is 8 rupees, is 8 rupees. So what is the cost of gel pen? Here we have to find the cost of gel pen. So how we will find? First of all, they have given the cost of ball pen, it is 8 rupees. How much? It is 8 rupees. And cost of gel pen is 7 more than that of ball pen. So here if I say 8 plus 7 is equal to the cost of gel pen. So 8 plus 7, that is 15 rupees, which is cost of gel pen. Cost of gel pen. Okay students, this is the cost of gel pen. Then after moving towards next, that we will do is D, that is question 2D. That is 6 more than a number R is 13. In the D, 6 more than a number R means they have said that a number there is R. Let a number is R. Then 6 more than number R is 13. 6 more than a number R is 13. So here R plus 6 is equal to 13, and they have said that what is the value of R? We have to find out what is the value of R. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to take this plus 6 towards this side, then we can get the value of r. So r is equal to 13 minus 6. R is equal to 13 minus 6 here. 13 minus 6, that is 7, which is the value of r. Okay students, please note down this. Another one, that is I. That is 7 more than a number is 11. I of question number 2. I of question number 2. That is 7 more than a number is 11. 7 more than a number is 11. So let a number, first of all, let a number be x. 7 more than a number I, that is 7 more than a number is 11. So 7 more than a number is 11, means x plus 7 will we get, that is 11. Okay students, so if I take this my plus 7 towards that side, then it will become minus. So x is equal to 11 minus 7. Okay, so 11 minus 7, that is 4. So x value we get, that is 4. A number is 4. Okay, let a number, means 7 added to the number, we will get the 11. Okay students. Okay, so this one was I, and as remaining you can do by yourself. And here moving towards question number 3. Moving towards question number 3. So question number 3. That is, write algebraic expression for the following. Okay students, so here I will do, that is A and B you have to do by yourself. So question number 3, A. First of all I am just writing here, choose a number which is they have done, that they have told us, that is x. Then after they have told us multiply it by 4. Multiply it by, okay, then after add 8, then after divide by 4, divide by 4, then after subtract 1, then after subtract the original number, subtract the original number. Okay, so here choose a number, means they have told us to choose a number x, and then after multiply it by 4. So 4 into x, that is 4x, that we have multiplied. Then after they have told add 8. So 4x, sorry 4x, not 4a, 4x plus 8. Okay. Then after divide by 4. So we have to divide this with 4, that is 4x plus 8 divided by 4. Then after subtract 1. So now we have to subtract 1, that is 4x plus 8 by 4, subtract 1. Okay. Then after subtract the original number, that is x. 4x plus 8 upon 4 minus 1 minus x, that we have done. So which is the thing? Okay students, when you just to solve this, then you will get the answer, that is here it is x, okay, and here it is 2. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. At last when you just solve this equation, you will get the answer, that is 1. In that way, you have to solve this equation and you will get the answer, it will be 1. And then after the question B, you have to do by your own. Okay students, and moving towards question number 4. That is, write algebraic equation for the following. You don't need to solve them. Okay, but the A, that is Bunty bought notebooks at 30 per notebook. He bought notebooks worth 960. How many notebooks did he buy? Let the number of notebooks be n. Here, the question number 4. That is notebook. One notebook cost 30 rupees and total that is 960 rupees. Total, that is 960 rupees. So we have to find that how many notebooks did he buy? Who? Bunty. How many notebooks did the Bunty buy? So the one notebook cost, that is 30 rupees, and total rupees, that is 960. Then I can say that we can divide this with 30 by this, then we will get the value of n. So I can say that 30n is equal to 960. Why this? Because how much number of notebook Bunty had bought, we don't know. We have to find that. So 30 into n means 30 into how much is 960. So here we have to find the value of n. So we know that this 30 is in multiplication. When it just go towards this side, it will become in the division. So n is equal to 960 upon 30. Here 0, 0 cut. Then after 3, 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So here number of notebooks that is 32, which is our answer. Okay students, moving forward, that is 7 mangoes are added. 17 mangoes are added to a basket of mangoes to make the total 100, how many mangoes were there in the basket before the addition? Okay, before the addition. So here, doing the question number 4, this was A. Now doing the question number 4, B. So here, question number 4B over this side. Here, B, that is 17 mangoes are added to a basket of mangoes to make the total 100. Means if I say in simple words, then is equal to is 100. Means the total which is given, that is 100. Why? Because it is given over here that 17 mangoes are added to a basket of mangoes to make the total 100. Means here we have written total, that was 960, which is written over here. So 100 we have to write over this. So how many numbers of mangoes are added? There were 17 numbers of mangoes are added to make that basket full of 100 mangoes. So we have to find out that how many mangoes were there before the addition of this further mangoes, 17 mangoes. So if I say this, let the numbers of mangoes, let the number of mangoes in basket be X. Okay, and then after they have said that in the basket 17 mangoes are added to make that basket full of 100 mangoes. So here there were X mangoes were there. In that we have added 17 more mangoes. Okay, to make how much? 100 mangoes. To make it 100 mangoes. So here we have to find the value of X. So this is plus when it just moved toward this side. So X is equal to 100 minus 17. So here 100 minus 17, if I just do that, 100 minus 17, here it will be 9, here it will be 10, here 3, here 8. So there were 83 mangoes in the basket, and then after 17 were added further to make that basket full of 100 mangoes. Okay students, so in your homework what you will do is, in your homework remaining sums, sorry I forgot to write homework, remaining sums of question number 3 and question number 4 exercise 9A, question number 3 and question number 4 remaining sums you have to do in your homework, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.